Wales's rugby team has spent the last few years searching for identity. Wayne Pivac's tenure, sandwiched between Warren Gatland's stints, was marked by confusion, as George North recalls in his autobiography. Senior players' suggestions often shape decisions, leaving outsiders uncertain of the coach's vision. Pivac sought to inject adventure into a squad, used Warren Gatland's Warren Ball style, defined by game line presence, physicality, defensive discipline and relentless work rate, but quickly realised the limitations of international rugby. Gatland's return brought familiarity, but the squad lacked the personnel to execute his trademark style consistently. Now Steve Tandy enters this landscape determined to bring clarity, taking charge amid off-field upheaval, including the WRU's abrupt decision to scrap a team days before the squad met. Tandy is focused on forging a team with a recognisable identity. Ahead of the autumn internationals, he's emphasised performance and cohesion over immediate results. "I'd love to be sitting here after the autumn with everyone knowing how Wales want to play," he said, highlighting his aim to blend resilience with skill, grit and panache. Tandy's coaching team underpin this vision. Former Scotland's and Lion flanker Tandy brings toughness, while Dylan Lydiate as defence coach adds uncompromising edge. Danny Wilson's forward coach provides technical precision, and Matt Sherratt, attack coach, offers clarity and inventive attacking structures. Tandy stresses the positives. "We've still got some physical boys," citing players like Nicky Smith, Adam Beard and Max Lewin. Yet vulnerabilities persist, noting it's inside centre, an area Sherratt will target with Ben Thomas. More crucial is establishing a coherent playing style and team identity. With clear communication, experienced coaching team and a mix of physicality and talent, Wales may finally emerge from the recent uncertainty with a defined approach, a foundation on which future results can be built.